Good morning! Happy Karwachauth! For those of you who are celebrating it, so we are doing it. We are here. We just came back from a walk, and I'm just making tea. That is it. Marvel is very tired and is still playing with his bottle. Anyways, we're gonna go get ready and then head out. I think we're gonna go to the outlets or somewhere, roam around, come back, and then cook something delicious and show it to you guys.
So we are all set to go.
Yes, we're going to the outlet mall to
This
just
is our
roam
outfit?
around. Yes.
So that's our outfit. We are gonna go out. This little guy over here is thinking that we are gonna take him, but that's not true. So anyways, we are gonna go head out and be back in some time.
Yeah.
And that's when the cooking starts.
Okay, so we are out. It's a beautiful day. It's sunny. It's not very hot, though it's windy. So, and we have these towels here because when we take Marvel for a ride, he drools everywhere. So that's why, so that our seats don't go bad. We have these towels here, and I am wearing this jacket like after a year, I think so. Yeah, after a year. It's still perfect. And I was super excited to wear some Indian attire today for the Karwachauth in the evening, and I took out all my Indian dresses. They don't fit me anymore. I mean, they are so loose. They are literally like 3 to 4 inches loose. Literally all the blouses, saris, they don't have any problem like for loose or something, but the blouse and suits, they are all so loose. So I'm going to India this December. We are going to India, and I'm gonna take them, get them fitted. So I don't know what I'm going to wear till now. We're still deciding, but still super excited. We have our water with us to keep us hydrated, and super excited to make some delicious food in the evening. And what else?
Have you ever dreamt what we could do?
And your dresses got loose. That shows how much progress you made over
Yeah,
there.
I have been working
It's a
out
good
really
thing about
hard,
food.
and nutrition on point, workout on point. So that's why I'm really happy to see that all my clothes are loose, like Indian clothes. I'm like super happy, like yay! I can see results. So that's fine. We'll just go and get it fitted. No worries. We are here. It's super crowded, but that's okay. It's Sunday. We're going shopping, I'm sure. Okay. It's a beautiful day. I'm super excited. I love this day. Okay. Let us go. Not a horse, they're going in. Okay guys, we did some shopping, and we got some mango juice over here that we're drinking, and now heading back home.
That is the Karwachauth shop.
Yeah, a little bit for me, a little bit for him. It's not all mine. And now we're heading home. We're gonna go make some prep some dinner, so that as soon as the moon comes up and we pray, we're just gonna eat.
And if it is cloudy, then I'm gonna see the moon. Make her see the moon in a mobile or something.
Yeah. So let's go home. Marvel must be waiting for us. Marvel doesn't like weekends because we're usually out on weekends. So he's like, I'm just leaving him alone. Okay. Just keep here. This mango juice, I don't know whether there's sugar or not, but it's so delicious. So good.
So we are done praying and everything. We were able to record some bits and pieces here and there. It was a little bit chaotic in here. We just changed. We did the puja and everything real quick. Sorry, there was nobody to record for us. I tried to adjust the camera as best I could. Let me quickly show you what we got over here. We have some puris over here, and we have paneer kofta over here, some bhindi, and we have some raita over here. Ooh, yummy. And we are gonna go sit, watch TV, and enjoy
our delicious food.
So we are gonna dig in and see you guys in a bit. Okay, so we are done stuffing ourselves up to a point where we cannot literally have another bite. So I guess we are pretty full and we are gonna take leave from you guys. She's just finding some of the work, she's cleaning a couple of dishes, and we are ready to go to bed. Of course, we are not sleep yet. We'll probably watch some YouTube. We got few things from today's shopping. We're probably gonna just see that, arrange that, and all of that stuff. We gave another walk to Marvel. He has been a little naughty these past few days. He's trying to take us out in the night, which he normally doesn't used to do it. But anyways, that's what's going on with us. Let us know how you celebrated your Karwachauth or how you plan to celebrate any of the upcoming festivities. Give us ideas, share your ideas, what you typically do, and we'll be more than excited to read all the comments. So don't forget to comment, subscribe, share, like this video, and stay tuned for more daily vlogs.